LumaFusion versus Adobe Rush, which video editor is better? Choosing the right video editor can completely change how you create professional content without struggling with complicated tools. Both LumaFusion and Adobe Rush offer unique features for creators on the go. LumaFusion and Adobe Rush are popular video editing apps designed for mobile and desktop use. The core difference lies in LumaFusion's deep multi-track editing capabilities versus Adobe Rush's seamless integration with Adobe Creative Cloud and cross-device workflow. LumaFusion is a powerful multi-track video editor primarily designed for iOS devices. It supports up to 6 video and audio tracks, plus additional tracks for titles and effects, allowing detailed and layered editing. Users can import footage from multiple sources, trim clips precisely, and add advanced color correction, audio mixing, and keyframe animations. Its interface is optimized for touchscreens, offering professional-level tools in a mobile-friendly package. Strengths include robust timeline control, support for high-resolution exports, and versatile media management. However, LumaFusion is limited to Apple devices, which restricts accessibility for Windows or Android users. Ideal users are mobile journalists, filmmakers, and content creators who need a comprehensive editing suite on iPhones or iPads without sacrificing power or flexibility. According to LumaFusion's official site, it balances advanced features with ease of use, making it a top choice for serious mobile editors. Adobe Rush is a cross-platform video editor available on iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS, designed for quick editing and easy sharing. It integrates tightly with Adobe Creative Cloud, enabling users to start projects on one device and continue on another seamlessly. Adobe Rush offers a simplified timeline with up to 4 video and 3 audio tracks, basic color correction, transitions, and motion graphics templates. Its strength lies in accessibility, cloud syncing, and straightforward interface, making it ideal for beginners and social media creators who want fast results. Limitations include fewer advanced editing tools compared to professional Adobe apps or LumaFusion, and reliance on Adobe's subscription model. Adobe Rush suits users who prioritize cross-device flexibility and integration with Adobe's ecosystem, especially those already using Premiere Pro or Photoshop. It's a solid choice for vloggers, marketers, and casual editors who need efficient workflows without steep learning curves, as detailed on Adobe's official website. LumaFusion and Adobe Rush serve different editing needs. LumaFusion excels in detailed multi-track editing on iOS, offering professional tools like advanced color grading and audio mixing, perfect for filmmakers working on mobile devices. Adobe Rush, by contrast, shines in cross-platform accessibility and cloud syncing, ideal for creators who switch between devices or need quick edits on the go. If you require deep customization and work primarily on Apple devices, LumaFusion delivers more control and features. However, if you want a simpler interface with Adobe Creative Cloud integration and multi-device support, Adobe Rush is the better fit. The trade-off is between power and flexibility on one side and convenience and ecosystem compatibility on the other. Both apps support exporting optimized for social media, but your choice depends on your editing style and device preferences. Choose LumaFusion if you want professional-grade multi-track editing with advanced tools on iOS devices and prioritize detailed control over your video projects. Adobe Rush is best for users seeking a simple cross-platform editor with seamless Adobe Creative Cloud integration and fast social media exports. It's perfect for beginners and creators needing flexible workflows across multiple devices. Pick the editor that aligns with your device and editing